Very good morning, friends. Nanakshi Swami here. Based on the India weeks, I've calculated the levels for today. So India weeks has cooled off to 13.8. Based on that, I'm getting the levels to be daily high to be 24,183 and daily low to be 23,837. And then weekly low to be 23,551 and weekly high to be 24,469. So coming to the Nifty analysis, today 24,076 to 24,066 may act as a resistance. Reason for this, because it is showing some sort of correction in the Nifty. This correction may continue. So it will be a sell and rally type of market for another 2 days. Probably for another 2 days. Actually, the first level after hitting the resistance, first level support comes to 23,901, and this range is almost 165 range. Suppose if it extends, the range extension takes place, we can anticipate the level of 23,837 to 23,754. 23,000, let me label it, 23,757. So these are the levels you need to keenly watch. Probably, I do not know whether it is a 1-day fall or it is 2-day fall. Probably market is undergoing through correction. So you need to be on the sell side, sell and rally. This is a correction actually. This is a natural thing after a huge move up from this level. This is the breakout level, that is 23,652. The correction is warranted actually. It is unhealthy actually for the market to go up. So correction is on in the market. You carefully watch the levels and trade the market. While as Bank Nifty, I marked the levels to be 52,114. Already it has corrected since Thursday, and this is the first level of support, and it can rally up to 52,532. That is almost, let me take the tool, that almost pull back to 482 points. Thinking that participants that it is going to reverse. No, it has not completed its correction. Probably this is an intraday pullback, and then it may resume its downtrend to 51,554. Probably today the Bank Nifty may complete its correction because this was the breakout level. Previous week's high was here and it was the breakout level. It can take support or it can dip down into 51,554. These are the two levels, 52,140 and 51,554. You need to keenly watch for these levels for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, see, you can see the previous week range. This was the range expansion, and it is coming to the correction. If I take the tool of fib tool, let me go there. And then this is exactly 0.618 correction. 0.618 fib golden correction. Actually 52,000, around 52,114 is correction. Sometimes it may extend, and the correction may extend to 51,743. So you keenly watch these levels and trade accordingly. Still, Bank Nifty is under correction. So intraday pullback may lead to sell-off to these two levels, 52,114 to 51,544. These are the two important levels and it is an healthy correction. Keenly watch and trade accordingly. Don't hurry yourself. Make your trading decisions coolly and calmly. Thank you very much, friends. Nalakshi Swami signing off.